Okay, sorry I got cut off. We're going to try number 4 again. We're going to try and fill out this row to be like this one, but all we've been given is 1 2/5. So we've got to figure out what our division sentence is going to be. If we find our improper fraction first, that'll help us. So we have it fifths here, so we're broken into fifths. So we need to take our whole and break that into fifths, which we know would be 5/5. And then we have these 2/5. So in total, we have 7/5. So that's our improper fraction. And from the previous video, I reminded you that that fractions can be seen as division. So the numerator divided by the denominator. So this is 7 divided by 5. So let's go ahead and write that in our division expression. 7 divided by 5. So we've done 2 of our boxes. Now let's go on to the unit form. So we're dividing by 5, we've got that. Now it wants us to take this 7 and turn it into fifths here to know how many fifths would be in 7 wholes. Well, if we had 7 wholes and each one had 5/5 in it, that would be 7 times 5, which is 35. If you couldn't just think of that in your head, you could draw 7 wholes, and each one's divided into 5, and so you could count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you keep counting. If you drew 7 wholes, and you would get 35. So 35/5 divided by 5. Well, 35 divided by 5 is 7/5. And we can check that over here, and that's exactly what we got, 7/5. So we're doing good. Let's go over here and do our standard algorithm. 7 divided by 5. Remember, the one that we're dividing goes inside the division house, or whatever you want to call it. And our divisor is our denominator. It goes on the outside. Okay, 5 goes into 7 one time. 1 times 5 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. So we have 1 with 2 left over. 2 out of 5 left over, so 2/5. So let's check our answer. To check, we can use the inverse operation. So the opposite of division is multiplication. So we're going to take our answer and multiply it times 5 to see if we get 7. 1 2/5 times 5. That's the same as 1 2/5 plus 1 2/5 plus 1 2/5 plus 1 2/5 plus 1 2/5. Multiplication is just another way of, repeated addition is another way of doing multiplication. All right, let's add what we can do easily, the whole numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10/5. And if we were to make that into a mixed number, we would take out 2 of these 5s and be left with none left. So that'd be 2 wholes, which we know 10 divided by 5 is 2 anyways. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. We got it right. Nice work.